Welcome to Hand Yoga. I'm Heidi Parkes, and today we are doing a self-massage for our hands using our palm to make a grid. So we'll begin doing this massage on the left hand, and using my right thumb, I'm going to press, forming a grid along my palm. You'll notice that changes the blood flow as I press. I'm using a fair amount of pressure, but I certainly don't want anything to hurt. We're slowly creating this grid across our hands. And as we come to a spot that potentially feels tender, I know I've got one right here, I'm going to press and hold firmly. The rest of my hand is soft, not resisting that pressure. And I want to keep that pressure just like in a deep tissue massage until the hand relaxes. And we'll use our breath to facilitate this. We'll inhale and exhale through the mouth. Each time we exhale, envisioning that tightness, that pressure, leaving our hand. And then we can continue with our grid, moving across the hand. This is a wonderful thing to do to start to learn your own body's reflexology patterns. There's a lot of wisdom that this area is connected to sinus issues or congestion. So if you're feeling sick, you might be able to notice that the pressure feels different on your hand in that area. So simply paying attention every day, you can start to intuitively notice if you have more tender spots, depending on how you're feeling. We want to gently continue that grid across our hand, holding at your own speed whenever you reach a place that has some extra tightness. And then in between hands, we'll pause, relax, feel the difference, feeling the effects of receiving the massage, as well as feeling the effects of giving the massage. We'll move now to the opposite hand, continuing with that grid. This is a massage that I was introduced to when I was a guest at the Vidyagrama Ayurvedic healing space in India. I was very lucky to go as a student with my teacher, Indu Aurora. And on many of the evenings before I went to sleep, they would give me this massage, both on my palms and on the soles of my feet. Many of these hand yoga techniques have a mirror that you can do for your feet. It can be just a wonderful, beautiful practice before you go to sleep at night. This is something that you can do with your hands dry, the way that my hands are dry, or it's wonderful if you use some warmed up oil, either a sesame oil, an olive oil, or an Ayurvedic massage oil. I would caution against using an Ayurvedically cooling oil like coconut, because that might aggravate the joints more than it would be soothing to them. Heat is generally more soothing to the hands. So if you've gone through your grid quickly, we're doing pretty exact amounts of time per each hand on this video. So you can just go back and repeat that hand and perhaps more generously notice which pressure points you can give some time and attention to. You're welcome to continue this long after the video ends. Just exploring and feeling into your hands, seeing what feels good. This is part of my hand yoga series. I'm doing a 30-day challenge, and I hope that you will join me for other aspects of this challenge. The links to the schedule and the videos are below in the description. Thank you very much, and I hope that you're well with your hands.